Because remember, this is the only home with God. Now I want to present you the animals and the trainers who made this show possible. Trainer John with Buddy. Trainer Johnny with Chow. Trainer Birdie with Rock. Trainer Rina with Seth. Trainer Jerry with Speed. And once again, I'm Trainer Mikey. Thank you and goodbye! Okay, please join me in your seat because we still have a sea lion show. Thank you!
Medyo nakakalan sa mula.
Hello everyone! Wow, what a beautiful night ride! Good day everyone and welcome to Aquatica. By the way, I'm Trainer first and I would like to meet my friends together with the trainers one at a time. On your left side is the eldest female South American sea lion that we have. And according to our trainer, she is the smartest. Wow, confident. Her name is Yeti. Together with trainer Vina, say hi! While on the other side is the youngest female South American sea lions that we have. And according to our trainer, she is the sexy, yeah. Oh, don't be shy, girl. Her name is Sandra. Together with trainer Jerry, say hello. Now, let's continue. So guys, do you have any idea why they're called feet or feathers for marine mammals? Any idea? Do they have feathers? Well, let's ask them. Hey ladies, do you have feathers? The answer is no. It's actually because of their front flippers, which are shaped like a bird's wing. See those? The term pinniped may be also translated as wing-footed, since their flipper looks somewhat like wings. In fact, they appear to be flying underwater as they swim from place to place, right ladies? And you know, they're often mistaken as a seal because they look very much alike. But some differences between a seal and a sea lion, the fact they have bigger front flippers. And they can also turn their back flippers, something seals cannot do. As a result, they can walk right while on land. And that's the fine demonstration of the run of applause for sea lion friends. And you know what guys? They have this long and flexible neck. How flexible? Well, check this out. So flexible, right? How about another round of applause for sea lion friends? As you can see, their body is covered with a thick coat of short coarse hair. And their whiskers help the sea lion sense of touch. They contain nerve fibers, which make them sensitive. Wow, nice smile. Hey! They may also use their whiskers to aid in navigation or to detect vibration from rain to water. And their small internal ears give them a good sense of hearing both above and below the water surface. Sea lions, like many marine mammals, can see both above and underwater. They have keen eyesight but no color visions. In the wild, they inhabit waters close to shore, flat rocky lakes with tide pools, and have a preference for rocky beaches. They have excellent climbing abilities, which can easily scale rocky cliffs. Well, check this out. Truly strong front flippers. Now, let's talk about And let's start with Yenny, the smartest.
Ulat siyempre.
Sea lions generally cruise at around 11 miles per hour using the rowing movement of their front flippers, while their back flippers are stretched out behind their bodies, functioning as rudder for steering. And that is the normal swim. Nice and easy. Thank you, Yenny and Trainer Vina. But when chasing their prey or escaping from predators, they can achieve a burst speed up to. Ready, Sandra? 25 miles per hour. That is so fast. How about round of applause for Sandra? That's sexy, yeah. Wow, nice diver. And another one. She deserves it. Now, here's an interesting story about the sea lion. Did you know that the US Navy has trained a few of them to take part in their special operations? Yeah, that's right. They're able to hold their breath for up to 20 minutes and they can dive hundreds of feet. Abilities that even the best Navy diver would be envious of. And since cannot be detected by radar underwater, they're thought recognized in a void underwater mine. Alright, ladies trainers, are you ready? Well then, salute! Now, let's march. Ready? Up, 2, 3, 4, up, 2, salute! Now, this time, could you please join our sea lion in a salute? In a count of 3, everybody please salute and make this one loud. Alright guys, are you ready? Hey guys, I can hear you. Are you ready? Okay, let me count. 1, 2, 3. Salute everybody. Thank you so much. Well, sea lions are also used to search and recover equipment from the water. H2O. Okay, trainers, what first? The ring. Go ahead and get the ring, sea lion friends. And they got it! I want a round of applause for Yenny and Sandra. Great job, ladies. And another one. They asked me for it. So, trainers, what next? The ball. How do you think they get the ball? It's a ball balance. Purple lady. Go, Yenny. Okay, one more by Yenny. Purple lady. Almost there. Purple. Go, Yenny. Steady, eh? Fantastic! I want a round of applause for Sea Lion friends. Excellent work, ladies. Now, this time, would you love to see a dance number from our Sea Lion friends? Hey guys, where's the energy? Would you love to see them dance? Well, here, my hands go. Let's move it! Clap your hands, everybody, come on! And now, show them We hope you all enjoy spending your afternoon here at Aquatica with your newfound friends, the South American sea lions, Yeti and Sandra. And we also hope that even after you leave, you will take this experience with you wherever you go. And remember what we do here on the